Students, in the previous video you are learned exercise 2.8 first problem to fifth problem. Now sixth problem. Find the sum to n terms of the series. So that is first problem 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 plus etc. to n terms. Second problem 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus etc. to n terms. So we want to find the sum to n terms. Sum to n terms, we know the formula. We know the formula r greater than 1 or less than 1, we have the formula. So which is suitable, we have to substitute the formula. Substitute in the formula. First you write the given question, that is 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 plus etc. to n terms. It is the given question. Then you have to rewrite the decimal number into fraction, that is written as 4 by 10. This is written as 44 by 100. This is written as 444 by 1000. How we write this? For it has a 1 decimal place, so divide by 10. 2 decimal places, so divide by 100. It is a 3 decimal places, so 1000. Suppose the next term, what you get? 4444 by 10,000. So like this you have to proceed. First 3 terms you have to write, then plus etc. n terms. Then for here 44 is written as it is 1 into 4. It is 11 into 4. It is 111 into 4 plus etc. n terms. So 4 is commonly you have to take outside. So that is, for what you have here 1. It is 1 into 4. So 1 is here, 4 taken outside. So it is 11 into 4. 4 is taken. So which is remaining? 11. For it is 111 into 4. So that is 4 taken. So remaining 111 up to n terms plus etc. to n terms. Next it is, for here it is written as multiple and divide by, it is a rules. So after changing that, multiple and divide by 9. For when we multiple and divide by the same number, we didn't get any changes in the given format. So it is, for here multiple, inside you have to multiple by 9, outside you have to divide. So that is 4 by 9 into, for 1 into 9 9, for it is 11 into 9 99, 111 into 9. So that is for 999 by 1000 plus etc. to n terms. Previous term, multiple and divide by the same numbers, multiple and divide by 9. So now for it is, the 9 is written as 10 minus 1. For 199 is written as 100 minus 1. For that 999 is written as 1000 minus 1 up to n terms. For the denominators the same. So now for here this 10 is common for these two terms, numerator 2 terms, that is 10 by 10 minus 1 by 10, 100 by 100 minus 1 by 100, 1000 by 1000 minus 1 by 1000 plus etc. to n terms. So that is, for here the same numbers divide by the same number. For it is 1. For here 1. For it is 1. It is 1. So here we have a combination of plus terms and positive and negative terms. So we have to make a group. For here after simplification, here we get 1, 1, 1 etc. up to n terms. So that you have to make a group, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. Minus, the second term is minus, commonly all the one is a minus term. So minus commonly we have to take outside, that is which is remaining inside the bracket 1 by 10 plus 1 by 100. It is minus, how it is a plus? Minus taken outside. So it is 1 by 100 plus 1 by 1000 etc. to n terms. So now we have a 2 terms, 4 by 9 into, for it is 1 plus 1, how many times it is there? N times. So n, 1 into 1, so it is 1 into n. So that is n. For it is, how it is n terms? For it is 1 plus 1 plus 1, how many times it is there? N terms is there. So n. Minus, for 1 by 10, 1 by 100, for it is there. For here 1 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 1000 etc. n terms are in GP. So it is the first term. For common ratio it is 1 by 10, 1 by 100 by 1 by 10. So that is 1 by 10. It is less than 1. Less than 1 means which formula? Sum to n terms, Sn equal to A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. So you have to substitute in this formula. So that is 1 by 10 into 1 minus r is 1 by 10 whole power n by 1 minus 1 by 10. So 4 by 9 is commonly outside is the 4 by 9 in n in minus, for it is 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10 power n. So it is a by b whole power n. This n is common for 1 power n by 10 power n. 1 power n value 1. So that is 1 by 10 power n by, it is a LCM. 1 into 10, 10, 10 minus 1, 9, 9 by 10. So now this 4 by n, 4 by 9 take inside, that is 4 by 9 into n, 4n by 9 minus, for 4 by 9, here 1 9, denominator outside one here 1. So 9 9s are 81, 4 by 81 into 1 minus 1 by 10 power n. Second problem, 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus etc. to n terms. First you write the given question. We want to find sum to n terms. For here see, for it is compare with the previous one. Previous is a decimal. Decimal we convert it as a fraction. Then common numbers taken outside. So like that, for 3 is commonly is there. So we have to take an outside 3. For it is 3, 11 into 3, 111 into 3 plus etc. to n terms. So 3 is taken outside, which is remaining 1. For here 11, here 111 plus etc. to n terms. So now for what is the rule after taking the common terms outside? What is the rule? Multiple and divide by 9. So that is for 9 multiple inside, outside you have to divide by 9. So 3 by 9 into, for 1 into 9 9, 11 into 9 99, 111 into 9 999 to n terms. So now for here outside cancelling is possible. You have to make cancel. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So 9 is written as 10 minus 1, 99 is 100 minus 1, 999 is written as 1000 minus 1 to n terms. So now 1 by 3 into the terms, first term 10, 100, 1000 etc. positive terms to n terms. Then the second term is minus of 1 plus 1 plus 1. So now after this you make a group after writing this step. So that is 10 plus 100 plus 1000 to n terms, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 up to n terms is there. So minus commonly we have to take outside. So that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 to n terms. So that is 1 by 3 into 10 plus 100 plus 1000 to etc. n terms minus n. For it is 1 is n terms are there. So minus n. So now for it is, for 10 is there. For common ratio is, what is the common ratio? 100 by R2 by R1. So that is 100 by 10. So it is 10, more than 1. So we have to use the formula 1 by 3 into a into, it is a into a power n minus 1. Sorry, a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 minus for this n. So that is 1 by 3 into, we have to separate this, 10 into 10 power n minus 1 by 9 minus n. So that is now for a 10, for you have to separate this 3, take inside, 1 by 3 take inside, that is 10 into 10 power n minus 1 by 9 minus 3 by 9, for it is for it is 1 by 3 take inside, that is 10 into 10 power n minus 1 by 9 3s are 27. So then minus 1 by 3 into n. For suppose you have doubt, right at side a equal to what is the first term, common ratio, then for you selected which formula, that all the one right at side. Seventh question, find the sum of the geometric series 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus etc. plus 1536. We want to find the sum of the given geometric series. So we want to find their sum. So 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus etc. to 1536. Here the first term is a is equal to 3. Common ratio r equal to t2 by t1. So that is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. So then tn equal to, what is the nth term is given, 1536. So we know the formula, nth term formula, a into r power n minus 1, that is equal to 1536. So now a value 3, r value is 2, the whole power n minus 1. The a value and r value you have to substitute in the general term. So that is equal to 1536. So you have to make cancel, 1 3 is 3, 5 3s are 15, 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. After cancelling we have, that is 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1 equal to 2 power 9. So this 512, you have to use the factorization method, you get 2 power 9. So now for the bases are same, so we have to equate the powers, so that is n minus 1 equal to 9. So n equal to 9 plus 1, 10. So n equal to 10, for it is a greater than 1, so Sn formula, Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. We have to substitute the values in the formula, 3 into, so that is a into r value is 2, n value is 10, 2 power 10 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So that is 3 into 2 power 10 value, that is 1024, minus 1. The 2 power 10 value you have to find. So 2 into 2 into 2, 10 times, that is otherwise 2 power 5 into 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 32, 32 into 32, 1024, minus 1 by 1. So that is 3 into, you have to subtract these to 1023. So you have to make multiple, that is 3069. So sum of the given geometric series is 3069. 8th question. Kumar writes a letter to 4 of his friends. He asks each one of them to copy the letter and mail to 4 different persons with the instruction that they continue the process similarly, assuming that the process is unaltered and it cost rupees 2 to mail letter. Find the amount spent on postage when 8th set of letters is mailed. We want to find amount spent on postage when 8th set of letters is mailed. Student, for this question, for a 4 letter, for Kumar writes a letter to 4 of his friends and he asks each one of them to copy the letters and mail to 4 different persons. Each one write letter and send mail to 4 different persons. So that is, for here the mail sequence is 4, 4 square, 4 cube, etc. up to 8 terms. For it is a 8th set of letter we want to find. For the final, find the amount spent on the postage when the 8th set of letter is mailed. So up to 8 terms we want to find. So why we are writing 4, 4 square, 4 cube, for each person send letter to 4 person. So that is, it is written as 4, 4 square, 4 square is 16, 4 cube is 64 up to 8 terms. Then also given each mail cost is rupees 2. Mail cost. Their sequence is for 2 into 4, 2 into 16, 2 into 64 up to 8 terms. So that is 8, 32, 128 up to 8 terms. For here, for this sequence, A is 8. A common difference is T2 by T1, 32 by 8, that is equal to 4, n equal to 8. So n is equal to 8, it is a, for now r is greater than 1, we have to use the formula Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. For a value is 8, r value is 4, n value is 8, 4 power 8 minus 1 by 4 minus 1. 8 by 3 into 4 power 8 value 65,536 minus 1. So that is 8 by 3 into, so you have to subtract this 65,535. The cancelling is possible, you have to make cancel. Then after cancelling you have to make multiple, that is 21,845 into 8. So that is 1,74,760. It is 760. Now 9th question, find the rational form of the number 0.123 bar. So that is you are like this problem you are learned in 9th standard. For it is this decimal expansion we have to write it as a rational form. Rational form means fractional form, p by q form. So here the period of decimal is 3. Period of decimal means for inside the bar how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So the period of decimal is 3. First you write the given one, let x is equal to 0.123 bar. It is called it as equation number 1. So that is written as, it is the digits, the same 3 digits again and again repeated. So now x is equal to 0.123, 123, 123, etc. So now it is multiple by 1000 because the period of decimal is 3. So we have to multiple by 1000. Suppose period of decimal is 2, we have to multiple by 100. So for this one into 100, so that is 0.123 into 100. So 100 you have to make multiple with 100, the decimal moves here. So it is here. So now 123.123, 123, 123, 123, again and again repeat. So that is 123.123 bar. It is called it as equation number 2. Now we have to subtract 2 minus 1. It is called equation number 2 minus 1. So that is 1000x. So it is, for here at this side you have 1000x is equal to 123.123 bar. So that is 1000x equal to 123.123 bar minus x is equal to 0.123 bar. It is the equation number 1. So you have to subtract these two. Subtraction, the second equation sign we have to make change. So that is, it is minus, it is minus. So 999x equal to, for here you have to subtract these two become cancelled. Here you get 123. So x is equal to 123 by 999. So cancelling is possible. So you have to make cancel, 3 table is possible. So 41 by 333. X value is 41 by 333. It is the rational form. For 10th question, prove that sum. If Sn equal to x plus y plus x square plus xy plus y square plus x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube plus etc. n terms, then prove that x minus y into Sn is equal to x square into x power n minus 1 by x minus 1, y square into y power n minus 1 by y minus 1. We want to prove this. Using the given sum to n terms, we have to prove this one. First you have to write the given sum to n terms, that is x plus y into, or it is sum to n terms given, just take and write. Then multiply both sides x minus y, multiply x minus y on both sides. So we want to prove this, So for here x minus y is there, so both side we have to multiple by x minus y. So x minus y into Sn, then x minus y into the what terms in the right hand side. In the left hand side the same thing, x minus y into Sn. Then the x minus, the right hand side x minus y take inside. For in the right hand side we have the groups, each group this x minus y take inside. So that is x minus y into x plus y plus x minus y into the second group, that is x square plus xy plus y square. Then the third group is x minus y into, that is x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube plus etc. to n terms. So now for it is you have to compare, for it is this all the one in the formula format, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So that is x square minus y square. It is a cube minus b cube formula. So that is x cube minus y cube. For it is in the form, this fully in the form a cube minus b cube. It is a square minus b square. So x cube minus y cube. Then this also formula, for this formula is x power 4 minus y power 4 up to n terms. So once again listen, this is the formula a square minus b square. This is a cube minus b cube. The second term, it is a cube minus b cube. It is a power 4 minus b power 4. So that is x power 4 minus y power 4 up to n terms. So that is now, for it is the first positive terms and negative terms are there for x square minus y square x cube. So positive terms make a group, that is x square plus x cube plus x power 4 up to m terms. So in the second term minus commonly is there, you have to take an outside, that is y square plus y cube plus y power 4 etc. n terms. So now for you have to use formula for this, for n terms, a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. For this also you have to use the formula a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. For the first set we have, it is a equal to x square, r equal to x cube by x square, that is x. For it is, for the same way you have to write here the second term a equal to y square, common ratio y cube by y square, that is y, r equal to y. So now we got to substitute a value is x square, r value is x power n minus 1 by x minus 1 minus, for the second term a is y square, r is y, so y power n minus 1 by y minus 1. So for here, from the left hand side left hand side the same thing, the same value x minus y into Sn. So therefore x minus y into Sn equal to this value. Hence proved.